Today we talk about how can you find inbound devices on your app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down here. You click here on me down here. You just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on service. You just click on it. Then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. You come here to inbound devices here. You just click on it. Then here you will find our inbound devices. I have nothing here, but if you have it, you will find it here in this space on your app. So that's all you have to do. I wish now you I get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.